Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
The Mylar Exit Bag has a composition which allows it to be rugged, tinted, smell-proof, and heat-sealed for specific dispensary needs. They can be opaque to abide by Cannabis Exit Bag Laws. They are smell-proof, in all varieties of sizes, and you can even get them in a custom size for your unique needs. It is ideal for consumers who need a larger quantity of cannabis or for individuals who are sharing with friends. The Exit Bag provides ample storage space while maintaining durability and odor protection, making it a more cost-effective and practical packaging solution. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.